Our factory produces a series of high-strength fasteners, such as A490M, A563M, F436M, A325M, A563M, F436M, AS1252, and more. We also provide personalized packaging and services. 1. A A490M series application, the Qatar World Cup Stadium. Our company will always provide you with thoughtful, professional service. And we not only have perfect service after the sale, we also have great payment terms. You'll never regret choosing us. Our factory produces and provides various types of bolts, such as hex bolts, flange bolts, carriage bolts, square bolts, and non-standard bolts. The materials are mainly carbon steel and stainless steel, and the product grades are mainly class 4.8, 6.8, 8.8, 10.9, 12.9, grade 2, 5, and 8, and A270 and 8480, and more. Our company will always provide you with thoughtful, professional service. And we not only have perfect service after the sale, we also have great payment terms. You'll never regret choosing us.
Jiaxing City Chunbang Hardware Company Limited is a professional fastener manufacturer and supplier. Products are mainly used in the solar industry, power infrastructure industry, the field of steel structures, and so on. The main products of solar energy industry are stainless steel bolts, nuts, washer, and photovoltaic bracket products in the region. Usually use 304 and 316 material. Welcome to learn more about our company. We will provide you with thoughtful, professional service. You will never regret choosing us. We not only have perfect after-sales service, but also have great payment terms. You're going to see a lot of wins.